The M2303 code in Bobcat loaders and telehandlers means starter relay error off. It may mean several common issues with the wiring or the starter itself. I would start with the battery and fuses, since they may be culprits for this code. First of all, make sure that a 12-volt battery is okay under the load. You may do this with a load tester, or make sure that the voltage doesn't drop much on the terminals when you are trying to start the engine. Secondly, make sure that all fuses are okay. Fuses can be checked in several ways with just a multimeter. Now, the easiest way is to check the continuity between two metal posts on the surface of each fuse when the ignition is off. Checking the relays is more complicated, and in most cases, the relays don't cause any problems. If you couldn't find anything broken, you should move to the next test. Make sure that when you are trying to start the engine, the starter gets about 12 volts on the solenoid terminals. If it doesn't, the problem is somewhere in the wiring. You may try to find it, but it's pretty hard in Bobcat equipment, so you may need professional help. If the starter does get 12 volts, then you need to locate a small feedback wire that comes from the starter to the control system, and make sure that it also has 12 volts. If it shows something like 9 volts, 10 volts, it means that starter solenoid or the starter itself has problems. Fortunately, in Bobcat starters, you may replace the solenoids without replacing the whole starter, so this is probably your next step. If this doesn't help, you most likely need the new starter. But before you invest in it, you should also get a second opinion from a good mechanic, because this is not a cheap part, to say the least.